What's up guys, Flash here, tradingwithflash.com. In this video I'm going to cover really briefly some of the brokerage Ricky recommends and my honest review and opinion on it. Stay tuned. To me guys, this had no benefit solely because I don't live in the US. I'm from Dublin and all the brokerage Ricky recommends is obviously US based, which it didn't help me. But if I was in the US, the systems look great that he recommends, like the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. Personally, from seeing him use that, it definitely looks like if I was in the States, I would use that one. It looks like one of the best ones. Robinhood, and he recommends some other small ones in there. But because, again, I'm not in the US, I had to settle for SureTrader, which is fine. It's definitely the closest I could get by trading the New York Stock Exchange from this side of the world. There's no PDT rule, so it suits me perfectly. So that's just a quick overview on the brokerage, on what I found helpful when I was in the Learn Plan Profit. So guys, if you are interested in taking the Learn Plan Profit course, there is a link in the description below, and there's also a $25 off discount code. So help me help you. Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.